Hey everyone, today I will discuss about the integration of 4 into 4 analog keypad with Arduino and the LCD screen. In this video, we are trying to make a calculator in which the keypad will act as an input device and the LCD will be the output device. And the whole process is controlled by the Arduino or microcontroller. The keypad will generate analog signals and the microcontroller will convert that analog signal into digital and the LCD will display the output. We need to download the library that is keypad.h. In this video, I will tell you how to download and where to download this particular library because this library is not pre-installed with the IDE. For that, you have to download it from the Arduino website, and after that, we have to install it in the library of this. First of all, I would like to tell you about the structure of the keyboard. This keyboard is the combination of 4 rows and 4 columns, or you can say it is a kind of two-dimension array in which one dimension is the rows and the second dimension is the column. At the position of 0 0, it is number 1, or you can say number 1 is placed as the position of 0 0. 0 1 is the number 2, 0 3 is number 3, 0 2 sorry is number 3, and 0 3 is an alphabet, or you can say it's the symbol of plus. The second row, first column, is 1 0, that is number 4, and so on. All the numbers are indicated, or you can say placed. Now, about the connections or the pin sequence. The first 4 pins are for the rows, and the last 4 pins are for the columns. Starting from the left, first pin, that is purple one, is for the first row, and the second pin, that is blue, is for the second row, then orange for the third row, and yellow for the fourth row. Now the column pins are red, means pin number 4 or pin number 5. Red means pin number 5, that is for first column. Then this is brown, pin number 6, that is for second column. Green, pin number 7, that is for third column. And this white, this is pin number 8, that is for the last column. Now, about the connection of this keypad with the Arduino. I have connected the initial 4 to the digital part of the Arduino. Pin number 1 of the row, pin number for the row 1 is goes to the pin number 5 of the Arduino. Then the blue second pin of the keypad goes to the pin number 4 of Arduino. Then orange, that is 3, that is goes again in Arduino pin number 3. The yellow, that 4, that goes to the pin number 2 of the Arduino. That is the connection sequence of rows of keypad with Arduino. Now the columns, pin number red, that is pin number 5 for the keypad, it goes to the analog pin number 3, means A3. This is the analog part of this Arduino. Then pin number 6 brown, that goes to A2. Pin number green means pin number 7, that is goes to pin number A1. Then A0. Now I have made the connections with Arduino and this keypad. And for the LCD connections, you can watch my previous video in which I have mentioned all the details how to connect this LCD with Arduino. Now let's check whether it's working. Keys are working or not. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, two. Swing infinity. We are going to discuss about the code. Now we are going to discuss about the code for this program. First of all, we will include liquid crystal.h. That is a library for Arduino that allow communication with alphanumeric liquid crystal display. And we have called this function of LCD crystal, that is LCD, with 6 parameters. These 6 parameters are for connecting the LCD with Arduino. That is 12. That will be connected with RS registered pin of your LCD screen, that is pin number 4. Then again this is enable pin, that is that will be connected with pin number 11 of your Arduino, and that is pin number 6. Then 10, that is for data 1, data 4, that is data 5, that is 8, and that is 7. Okay, these all pins are connected with this LCD and Arduino. These pins are completing this requirement of this particular functions parameter. Now for more details you can check my previous video in which I have created the connections with LCD. Okay. Now the next thing that we are going to discuss about this, that is the keypad, and this is the structure of the keypad from here to here, from this keypad setup to this. For this purpose, or you can say in this case, we again include another file, another library, that is keypad.h. that is again a library for Arduino, and it used matrix style keypad. Matrix means the combination of row and columns. Okay, we are having this keypad that have 4 rows, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and 4 columns. It creates a matrix. Now let's start with this this structure. Constant is again a keyword, reserved keyword with C++, and it is used when the value will remain same, when the value will remain constant and it will not be changed during the process from initial to end. Then byte is a data type in C++, and it is the smallest data type in Arduino for round numbers. Byte consists of 8 bits. Byte consists of 8 bits. And now this is the keypad row, that is the name of this particular this is a variable, and the data type of this keypad variable is byte, and it is constant, means it will not be changed during the process or during the output. Now we have rows, that is we have mentioned it for the row purpose, row 1, 2, 3 and 4, and these are 4, so we have mentioned this, the size of this keypad row is 4. Then constant byte keypad column, again 4. Now row pins means that pins that is to be connected with this Arduino. These are the pins, row pins. These initial 4 are the row pins, and the next from the 5 to 8, these are column pins. So we created this row pin as a array, and we call this keypad row in the array to justify or specify the size of this array, that is 4. The size of this array is 4 because we already mentioned this keypad row, and we call this keypad rows here. Now in this array we have, array means the collection of similar type of elements. Now we have to mention the pins of the Arduino over here to fulfill the requirement of this array, that is 5, that is 5, that is 4, 3 and 2. These are the pins of Arduino that is to be connected with the row column. Now byte column pins, that is keypad column, again column pins, again mention the we created this column pin as an array,
and the size of the array is 4, so we call this keypad calls. And A3, A2, A1 and A0, these are the pins are connected with the column connection of this keypad. Now character, this is again a reserver, the data type, and a reserve keyword that is for mentioned character of the, and the name of this variable is key, and the data type is character. Again, it's a two dimension. Now we created a two dimension array, that is in one array, one dimension it is it is indicating this rows, and in second dimension it is indicating the columns. So we have mentioned the size, we have created one single dimension array, one array single dimension array, then again single dimension array. Now we are combining both the arrays, this is 1 and 2, to make a matrix, or make or the you can say a two dimension array for row and columns. Again, our purpose is to control or to create a kind of matrix. So because it's this is matrix based keypad, so that is that has been created over here. Now we start putting the elements together. Okay, this complete two-dimensional array starts from here and ends from here. First element we are adding, that is a row, complete row, and in row 1, at the place of 0 1, sorry, at the place this is 1, that at the place of 0 0, the 0 row means 0 row and 0 column, then 0 1, then 0 2, then 0 3, then same here, that is column 1 and row 1. So means it is 1 1. This is again, this is 1 2 1, means 2 is a row and 2 is a column. Like now we are going to put these elements together to make two-dimensional array with a combination of these rows and columns. That is the data type of this array, two-dimensional array, and the name of this two-dimension is keys, and these are the rows and these are the columns. Now we are putting all the elements together to make the two-dimension array, that is 1, that's indicating that 1, and what the location of this one is in array is 1 row 1 column, first row first column, that is 2, that is first row second column, and 3, that is first row third column, and 4 means plus, that is 1 row fourth column. Again, same procedure will be followed, same procedure again, the same procedure will be followed for this second line, that is 4, that is 4, that is place is 2, second row 1 column, second row 2 column, second row 3 column, and it will move on in the same pattern, and our two-dimensional array has been created for this particular keypad. Now we are calling a keypad. Now this is the name of the particular class or library, and this is the constructor of this class. Now first of all, constructor, what is constructor in C++? Constructor is a special method that is invoked automatically at the time of object created. We are creating this object with the name of keypad, and with the help of this constructor that is already mentioned in this keypad.h, and we are calling this keypad.h constructor to create an object. It is used to initialize the data members. These are the data members. We are initializing all the data members over here, and we are calling these data members here. And constructor don't have return value, so there is no need of a return type over here. Okay, now let me tell you more details about it. That during this constructor we are using this make during making this, that is make key map, that is a function, and we are calling keys means this. Here we are calling make key map. We are mapping both the keys with the help of this function that is already mentioned in keypad.h, that is make key map, and we are calling keys are mentioned here, and we are calling this keys. And row pins, that is row pins, row column pins, that is column pins, keypad and key rows. All the metrics we have created here, we are calling in this particular constructor. That is the name of this constructor, and the name of the constructor will be same as the name of the class or structure. Now we are using this unit 64T, that is again a data type for Arduino, or that is used in C++ 64, and then its range, it is for numerical in integer type only, and it's having a very large you can say range.
Don't forget to watch my next video to further discuss about the code of this program. Till then, thank you.